Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be talking about AMC Entertainment. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investment journey together. So today we're going to be talking about AMC Entertainment, currently sitting at $5.60. And this stock has definitely been getting a lot of attention. A lot of people really wondering, is AMC Entertainment basically worth an investment at $5.59. Can the stock recover? Can the stock go through a short squeeze? Well, I hopefully to answer all those questions for you guys by the end of the video. So if we dive in, everybody knows what AMC Entertainment is. It's a US-based company. They run a lot of movie theaters, and obviously the stock has been getting a lot of attention ever since the Reddit fueled rally kind of pushed the stock to all-time highs I hadn't seen in a very long time. So if we look at the 1 month chart, we can definitely see here stock was kind of trading around $2.98, and then we see this peak here on January 27th of 2021 where the stock basically went all the way up to $20 and kind of slowly sunk back down when the brokerages actually limited the trading altogether on specific stocks like AMC Entertainment, GameStop, American Airlines, etc., etc. So if we dive in a little bit deeper, a lot of people are asking, is AMC Entertainment worth a buy at $5.59? Obviously, a company that did really get hit pretty hard because of the pandemic. Obviously, sitting in a movie theater, you cannot sit in a movie theater in close proximity with people because of the pandemic. It's just not allowed. So the movie theaters have kind of been struggling altogether. Definitely a company that did get hit hard from the pandemic, but we have definitely got some recent news for AMC Entertainment, which definitely could be eye-opening as far as an investment standpoint for AMC as a company in itself. So one, they actually did rule out bankruptcy for now, which is a very good sign. It means that as far as now, AMC Entertainment is safe from bankruptcy. A lot of people definitely thought that AMC Entertainment was going to go bankrupt, which kind of did lead people to short the stock in the first place. If you guys don't know what shorting a stock actually is, when you short a stock, it basically means you have a very bearish position on a stock. You think the stock is going to go down, so you'll basically borrow a certain amount of shares and hopefully pay them back at a cheaper price, and you get to keep the difference as far as premium goes. It's a very good trading strategy, but it's also a very risky one because if the stock runs up way past the price that you actually sold the shares at, it causes something known as a short squeeze, which is kind of what we did see a little bit of here in the 1 month chart. People say it's not really a short squeeze, but although it could have been a lot bigger of a short squeeze if the trading wasn't limited altogether, it was kind of a short squeeze. So that's basically what happened. When the brokerages actually limited the trading, it kind of just made people panic sell the stock, and it kind of brought the stock back down to $5, and it's kind of been hovering there ever since. But really diving in, I don't think AMC Entertainment as a company is a bad investment. Obviously, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. But the reason I say this is because there's actually a few key factors that will definitely guarantee that AMC Entertainment is probably going to go up in the short term and the long term as well. One, the short flow percentage on the stock is currently sitting at 78%. So if we sit here and actually look at it all together, the stock does have a chance to go through a short squeeze if the stock is pushed up high enough for people to have to cover their short positions. Although no one will ever really know what that is, when that is, or what it is, or when it's going to happen, it definitely is subject. So you definitely have to always take in consideration that there is a potential chance for AMC Entertainment to go through a short squeeze. Wanda Group, one of the biggest investors in AMC Entertainment, it's a entertainment company based out of China, actually converted their shares from basically to the point where they can actually sell the shares. A lot of people think that Wanda Group may potentially exit their position, or they know that something big is coming, so they actually wanted to kind of get in on the trading action a little bit. But Chinese New Year actually just did pass, and this was actually very interesting. And, a lot of people definitely were kind of engaged in the whole movie going thing on the Chinese New Year in China. It basically broke the house offices, the box office as well. So that's a very good sign that, that this type of industry is recovering. And it definitely did glimmer some hope for the United States that, this specific industry, once the pandemic is over and once things actually start to go back to normal, AMC Entertainment definitely could potentially recover, and the stock could actually be worth a very good investment. With the Chinese New Year, obviously it's in China, so it doesn't really have much effect here, but it does go to show that, a lot of people are still crazy about the movies, and once basically everything opens back up and everything goes back to normal, people are going to be jumping at the fact that they're going to be able to go to the movies again. And I do think that AMC Entertainment is definitely going to see some very profitable quarters. Obviously, that's just speculation altogether, and AMC ruling out bankruptcy was a very good sign for the company that, the company is still going to be here and the company is still going to operate as much as possible. So far, AMC Entertainment is definitely going to be a stock worth looking at, but people have to also keep in consideration that it's definitely going to be a patience game altogether. with the pandemic running around, AMC Entertainment stock is not going to do that well. The company in itself is not going to do that well as far as profits and quarterly revenues. And people use that as kind of a bashing tactic. It's kind of like saying airlines are going to be profitable in the midst of a pandemic, when the companies have been losing billions of dollars ever since the pandemic kind of started. So with AMC Entertainment, it's definitely a patience game, and I actually personally think AMC Entertainment is worth a buy at $5.65. I do see a lot of long-term potential. Even with the growing popularity of streaming movie services, movie theaters are never going to go away. It's a classic thing that's been around for a very long time. People love going to the movies, whether it be for Valentine's Day, significant other dates, anniversaries. You know, it's a very kind of staple thing here in the United States and all across the world as well. So this definitely does help side with AMC Entertainment. It's something that streaming services are never going to take away, like Netflix. And there's also rumors right now that AMC Entertainment could potentially be bought out by a bigger competitor. So if we dive in, there's kind of been rumors circulating that AMC Entertainment could potentially be bought out by like Amazon or Netflix, which could definitely send the stock upward as well. And the stock is cheap enough now to the point where, yes, a big company like Amazon and Netflix could potentially buy out AMC Entertainment, and that could do very, very good for the stock as well. Obviously, nothing has been confirmed as far as that side point stands, but it's still always very interesting, and the opportunity is always going to sit there that AMC Entertainment could potentially bought out. So the company does have a lot of opportunity in the long run. So if people bought the shares at higher prices, you know, and you're truly bullish on it, average down your cost, buy shares cheaper than what you bought them when it was running up. And honestly, if you're bullish on it, hold and see what will happen with the stock altogether. I don't think AMC Entertainment is going to sit here at $5. I do think the stock does have a lot of upside potential, just due to the fact we do have a vaccine. The pandemics are slowly starting to go away. So AMC Entertainment is definitely going to make a recovery in that standpoint, and it definitely makes people, you know, kind of open their eyes to the overall point that AMC Entertainment could definitely be worth an investment at $5.66. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of AMC Entertainment. Do you guys think AMC Entertainment is a good buy at $5.66? If you guys own AMC Entertainment, how many shares do you guys own and what's your average? I'm always very curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.